of doing this video is because home whitening kits are a little bit cheaper than what you can typically get in your dental office, and maybe a little bit easier for people because they don't have to physically come into the office for so many things. So what I did was Google the top home whitening products, and I read a lot about the ingredients, and the one that I'm going to try today is called WhiteSmile teeth, and came in this packaging. First off, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the dental office whitenings and why maybe you'd be interested in doing the home whitening kit. And the main reason why people are interested in home whitening kits now, I believe, is because in the dental office we use UV light, and what that is you're going to be sitting in a chair. We put blocking material over the gums so nothing gets on your gums, and we typically always use hydrogen peroxide based bleach. So a lot of these home bleaching kits do not use hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to get into that. So the reason we use hydrogen peroxide based bleach in dental offices is because it's most effective at whitening teeth and the safest. Study wise, there have been a lot of studies done on hydrogen peroxide. It's ADA approved, FDA approved. So some things that you might buy online are not ADA or FDA approved. So just keep that in mind whenever you do any home whitening products. So in the dental office, bleaching can vary in price to ridiculous amounts. I used to work in New York City, and we would charge $1,000 at one office I worked at in Rockefeller Center. Depending on where you get your whitening done at which dental office, it can vary in price. So I always recommend people to kind of shop around. That's for the one that you sit in the chair and we block out the gums, we put the bleach on, and then we do a UV light. I'll post a picture so you can see that. We do that for 15-minute sessions, 3 15-minute sessions. So that's a total of, with prep and removing everything and sitting in the chair, it's like an hour, 15 minutes for the patient. And I have done it several times to patients. The results are wonderful. The downside is you have to sit there, you know, for an hour and 15 minutes, and it is so expensive. So I want to try out these other products and see if anything is worth recommending to friends and family and patients. But for the most part, I do think that in-office Zoom whitening is really, really great. It works for a long time. It like results can last, I've seen on a patient, up to like 2 years. But times are changing and people want something more convenient. People don't always want to have to go to the dental office for whitening, and they want to save money. Another option that we have in the dental office is home bleaching trays. So there's no particular like name to the brands we use. We just order dental office bleach. So we get it through a dental supply company, and it's very strong bleach. So you use it for, you're supposed to use it for up to 1 week. We mold the trays to your mouth, and then we let you take it home, and 2 visits worth, unless some offices do it in 1 day. That's like a few hours of waiting time to even get those trays. Some offices don't even allow you to wait for it because they can't do it the same day. So that's something to consider if you're like in a rush to get your teeth whitened. Price varies for that as well, but it's a lot less than in office. That one I work at, it's about $350. So it's in a way very similar to the home products that you can buy online, but the difference is it's trays that go in your mouth. So the reason that the results come out so fast in the dental office when you're sitting down is because we use a UV light. So same concept in these products, the ones you can find online, they use a little UV light, LED light, that helps to accelerate the bleach on your teeth. So it doesn't make the teeth bleach, it's just an accelerator to the bleach that you put on your teeth. So that is why we see faster results with these products, and that's why a lot of them are 10 minutes only each day. Alright guys, so now that we kind of went over what I use in the dental office and what a typical dental office will use when they bleach your teeth and how much it costs, now we're going to compare it to the home products, which WhiteSmile teeth is the one we're going to be reviewing. So one thing that I notice immediately is the price difference. So yes, it can seem expensive because some of these products can be up to like $150, $200 online, but think about it, that's still a lot cheaper than what you're going to pay at the dental office, and maybe it'll work for you. So the main difference with this, it is $179, but they're currently running a promotion that it's $139.99, and they've had that sale for about a month or two now, and along with that you can use my code and get 10% off. I'll put it in the link below. And also this formula is made without hydrogen peroxide. The reason why they make it without hydrogen peroxide is because the hydrogen peroxide is what causes sensitivity in patients. It doesn't always cause sensitivity in everyone, but a lot of people do develop sensitivity from it. And I know that a lot of in-office dental bleaching supplies have gotten a lot better over the years, but there's still that chance of sensitivity. And honestly, sensitivity is such a common problem in a lot of patients. Sensodyne to help with that during any bleaching process. But the main thing is, I think that these companies are trying to do without the hydrogen peroxide because of the sensitivity issues. It claims to be vegan, it has natural components to it. Instead of going through all these ingredients with you, I'm gonna leave it in the description below. So I just wanted to go over the main instructions with this. Is that this gel is supposed to last 18 to 24 months in the fridge. It lasts for, you're just supposed to do it for 10 minutes a day, which is awesome. And there's 3 pens, so eventually I guess you have to order more as you go. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So here is the piece that you're gonna put in the mouth for 10 minutes. Looks like this is the charger. And then in this bag, oh, this is cute. It's just a little to-go bag, so you can store it in here. Love it. In here. And then this is the piece they give you. I'll stop if I feel like I have seen enough results, so you can also do that too with whitening. And then one thing I have to do before I start is take a color test, see which one that I am. Alright, so I haven't whitened my teeth in so long, so I came to the conclusion that I'm about a 4 or a 5 on this. Kind of hard to see, but alright guys, so some tips about whitening. This is very different from what we use in the dental office because you don't even need the trays, which is really cool. And you can make sure that you don't put it on the gums yourself, so that's also nice. So it's just amazing how they've made it so easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this whitening on, and in order to get it out, it clicks. One tip for whitening, you don't want to waste the whitening product on your back teeth. No one's going to see them. I'm going to go ahead and apply this in my, probably from my premolar to premolar, okay? So let's go. Alright guys, so I just finished whitening the first 10 minutes. The first time I've ever tried it. I've never tried a LED whitening system at home before, so it was interesting. I would say that it was comfortable, so that's awesome. I'm gonna see if the results have gotten any better. I definitely see a little difference, a slight difference. I'm sure if I do it more than just the one day, you're supposed to do it for 4 to 5 days consecutively, I would see better results. But for the first time, I definitely think it did something. The 10 minutes went by pretty fast. It's definitely easy. You can do it while you're doing something else. I'm gonna let you guys know how the rest of the days go. Okay guys, I just wanted to tell you, keep in mind with whitening that everyone whitens so differently. So maybe I'm on the whiter side of this chart here, so it's not going to take me that long to get to where my goal is. But some people, are on the darker side, depending on what they could have some genetic component to their enamel that makes it a little bit darker, or they could be, coffee drinkers, red wine, tea is very staining. If you drink any of those things, which a lot of people do, you're going to probably notice over time your enamel is going to get a little bit darker. So keep in mind, you might have to whiten a little bit longer to see results that you would like to see, or you might have to use a different product to see the results that you want to see. But at least I can tell you from my point of view about each product I do a video on. You can decide if that would work for you or not. I don't know enough about the product yet, but at the end of the video I'll let you know how strong I feel like this bleach is and how good it would work for someone on maybe the middle of the chart. So I'll give you my honest opinion once I whiten for 6 days. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hey guys, so today's day 4. I realized something significant about this product today, that you are supposed to do 2 sessions. So like 10 minutes with the blue light, and then there's also a red light. So you click on it once, it's blue light, you do 10 minutes, and then you click on it again when you're done with that, and then do the red light for 10 minutes. So a total of 20 minutes. That gives you actually like more chance of whitening the teeth. So today I did the 20 minutes, one with the blue, one with the red, and I did notice a little bit more whitening happened. So now I believe I've gone up to about a 2 or a 3, so all in all about 2 shades whiter. I'm really excited about that, you guys. I think this product really works. The main thing I like about this product is that it does not cause sensitivity. It does take a little bit longer to see the results. Like, you have to do it for at least like 5 to 6 days to start seeing your teeth getting brighter, but I think that's definitely something that is a little bit better over having sensitive teeth, because sometimes with the other whitenings that have the hydrogen peroxide, people can see results faster but have sensitivity. So something to keep in mind if you personally do experience sensitivity. It might be worth your while to try out this product or other natural whitening products, which I will be reviewing more of them. This is not sponsored by WhiteSmile Teeth. I literally just went online to try to find one of these LED light whitening kits because I've never tried one before. So I'm actually really very impressed, and I recommend the product. I'll leave my code below. They did give me a little discount for trying out this product, and they will also give you a discount for using my code. But other than that, this video is completely and honestly my opinion. But I would definitely recommend this product to people that are starting maybe somewhere between a 5 and a 6 and would like to go up a few shades. But anything more drastic than that, I am not sure. There'd have to be some kind of study done, or someone else to try it out with a darker shade than I have. But all in all, I would say this product made me go up at least 2 shades with no sensitivities. Whitening is the hot topic for everyone. Let me know in the comments, what kind of whitenings do you guys want to learn about? What have you always wondered that if it works or not? Like, a lot of people ask me about the Crest whitening strips. I mean, I'll do a review on that if you guys want. And other whitening products, there's so many out now, you guys. Even Colgate now has a LED light, so I kind of want to try that one out too. But let me know in the comments what you guys want to know about whitening. And thank you so much for watching. I will post everything below with the details of the product and the promo code for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.